Making boiled corn the NUTBUSH Tennessee Flag Grove way. A little salt, pepper, and we're going to add some butter. Water, of course. Even though it wasn't healthy, gotta have that bacon grease. Mix that bacon grease around in there. Even with the butter. We're doing it the Flag Grove way. The NUTBUSH Tennessee back in the day. We added the butter. Stir it around. And a little red pepper. Just a little. Little red pepper. So, we have the salt, pepper, a little red pepper, bacon grease, and butter. Not healthy, but that's the way they ate it down on the farm. That's the way we ate it. And then boil it. You're gonna boil it. Bring it to a boil. And hopefully the children will love it. The grandchildren. And the company too. And the nieces. Now you're going to bring it to a boil, and then you're going to turn it medium to medium or low. Between medium and low. You don't want it to boil over. Stir it up. Okay. Okay, after it's boiled, when it's tender and comes off the cob, it's done. Ready to eat. Boiled corn with the NUTBUSH Tennessee Flag Grove recipe. It's Sharon Doyle-Norris. NUTBUSH Tennessee Flag Grove Heritage. It wasn't healthy, but it sure was good.